In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect your Tradovate account with the TradingView app. By the end of this guide, you'll be fully integrated and ready to begin your trading journey with enhanced tools and features right at your fingertips. Let's dive right into the process. First and foremost, ensure you have the TradingView app installed on your device. Once you have it set up, go ahead and open the app. You'll be prompted to log in, so enter your TradingView credentials. If you don't have an account, you might need to sign up first. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the TradingView dashboard, which serves as the hub for all your trading activities. Now, let's move on to linking your Tradovate account. Look for the profile icon or settings menu. It's typically located at the top corner of your screen. Once you're there, search for the Trading Connections option. This is your gateway to integrate various trading services into your TradingView app. Click on it, and you'll see a list of supported brokers and trading platforms. From this list, find Tradovate and click on it. A connection window will pop up, prompting you to enter your Tradovate username and password. Make sure you have these details at hand. It's crucial for the next step. Decide whether you want to engage in live or demo trading by selecting the appropriate option. Keep in mind that demo trading is an excellent way to familiarize yourself with the platform without any financial risk. Once you've made your choice, hit the Connect button. A brief moment of processing will follow, and then you'll receive a confirmation message indicating a successful connection. Your Tradovate account is now integrated into TradingView, unlocking a whole range of capabilities and insights for your trading activities. You can access live market data, advanced charting tools, and automated trading strategies, all thanks to the seamless connection between these two platforms. If you encounter any issues during this process, here are a few troubleshooting tips. First, double-check your Tradovate credentials to ensure you've entered them correctly. Also, verify your internet connection, as both platforms need a stable network to function properly. If problems persist, consider reaching out to TradingView or Tradovate support for further assistance. And there you have it. Setting up your Tradovate account within the TradingView app is as straightforward as that. You're all set to explore the vast world of trading, armed with powerful tools and a robust trading environment. As you get started, take some time to explore the various features offered by both platforms to enhance your trading experience. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.